And as the U.S. Postal Service figures out how to keep its employees safe in this heat, UPS is being called out for not upholding one of its promises to get delivery vans equipped with air conditioning. According to the Teamsters Union, those vans can reach a sweltering 120 degrees. As part of a contract agreement reached last year, UPS was supposed to start phasing out its old vehicles for ones that came with AC. But union representatives say that still has not happened. UPS says it's retrofitted about 2/3 of its current fleet with fans in the cabs and with heat shields.